Why are you acting so weird? Did you pee in your pull-up?
No.
What's in your pull-up?
Fart crumbs.
Do you know what those are called?
What?
Skitties. They're called skitties or skid marks. And it's when you don't wipe good enough. But did you pee in them?
No.
I don't care about fart crumbs. All I care about is pee. Good job.
Oh, you don't see the gap.
Good morning.
Neighbor.
That's Boston's pull-up. Can you go put it in the garbage? Yep, that's Kaka's. Put it down. Oh my. There you go. Get that one. Is everyone else being crazy? Let's go change your diaper. You're gonna go take the leaves to the dump with Daddy. Yeah, so we gotta go change your diaper. Olivia, come and lighten me with your new dance move. It's amazing. Show me. Okay, I'm trying to explain to Boston that we're going to a bird place.
Will they fly all over us and pick us with their thing?
No, yes, okay, they're gonna fly all over and they're gonna probably land on your hand and land on your shoulder, but they're not gonna peck you because they're really nice birds.
So they're gonna get all over us and nobody will see us?
I will see you because I'll be there with you.
And Mom, will they pet us?
Yeah, they'll be really nice. With their bird hands, yes.
You know, I think who went to bed the best?
Who?
Her. She fell right to sleep once I put her down.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I was just on this page. I was just on this page and I finished that whole book.
Dear heavens.
Lincoln, why can't you get your own self in the stroller and buckle yourself up as fast as possible? I don't know what I'm doing with the camera. I feel like I'm being so awkward and weird.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
We wanted to do something fun with the kids, and so we brought them down to Salt Lake. We were gonna stay in a hotel and then realized Mom and Dad were gone and just thought, hey, let's just stay at Mom and Dad's house, which was actually really nice. Saved us a little money, so. Anyway, so we brought the kids to the Tracy Aviary. Apparently it's really cool. We've never been here.
Whoa, wait a minute. I have been here.
Oh, Joel has.
When I was a little boy, I found a robin on my newspaper route with like a broken wing. So we went and got it, put it in a box.
Your dad brought
and
you.
me and my dad drove down here and brought me here.
I think that's the sweetest story.
She's a bird now, high in the sky.
Okay, are you guys ready for the show? I have no idea what to expect, so we'll see. Are you ready? No. Boston's feeling a little nervous. You don't need to be nervous. Because if I thought the birds were gonna hurt you, I wouldn't bring you here. They're not gonna hurt you, okay? Okay? He's nervous. I feel giddy. I think I'm like more excited than the kids.
I'm here for the birds.
You're here for the birds?
These shows are for the birds.
The kids are so nervous.
I'm not.
Yes you are. You were holding my, Olivia's not. Cody and Boston are very nervous.
I'm not scared.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh.
Fossils are found in the evergreen forest.
I love this.
What?
I love
I
this.
guess over Zazzy's in the same.
I thought I was scared.
Because he always seemed to prefer the dark red or purple. Was that people in the forest? Little lady, hop into it with us. Nice job there, Inca. Beautiful job, little lady. Greenwing macaws are a large type of parrot found in South America. Greater roadrunner like Roscoe could catch a venomous rattlesnake. Anyway,
Well, is
if
that
you may
an
have the
eagle?
opportunity to see a wild red-tailed hawk in the store. Talking about the peregrine falcon. They are hunting their fastest animals right now. This is Kafka, and Option is a milky eagle. And I want, so their prey never even hears them.
Are you afraid of them?
So well adapted. And Rafiki would be able to open up a tortoise shell in just one blow.
Oh my gosh.
Savannah.
And I saw
I have a pretty cool trivia fact about her.
Oh, don't let them touch anything. They were feeding them raw meat. I can only imagine the germs that are everywhere. I'm like second guessing all of this. When the vulture came out, I thought she may have been offended with my facial expressions because I was just like, oh my gosh, this is disgusting.
All the raw meat.
Yes, her hands were covered in like blood. I was just like, I cannot even. And it was like flying over my head. I'm like, your raw meat's gonna get like wafted into my face.
It's so small.
Yeah, it is good eye code.
Whoa, it's so pretty. Look. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh,
Pretty.
I think that's so sweet that Cody thought that the bird was pretty.
Oh, it was scratching him. That was so cool. There's another one back there that's brown and white. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow, there is. Wow, there really is.
Mom, come
They look like Furbies.
Ew! Okay.
It's a tree, Vaughn.
Yep.
Ferocious tree though.
Yeah, I bet you're gross.
Well, I was trying to get how cute the kids were being and I backed into a tree. I was just like, oh.
Nope, he's right there.
There he is.
Oh wow, look, he's got like fox ears.
Where?
Look, straight behind the tree, bud. Look, straight behind the tree.
Oh, there he is. Can you see him, guys? Right there.
Olivia, this one is ginormous. Look, come here.
They look like tree stumps.
The owls.
Hey,
Is that the one you were looking at, Olivia?
Yeah. Mom, you really can find really pretty birds if you just like think
You
they're
just
cute.
look in the cages.
You can find pretty birds if you just think they're cute. No.
Don't you get no ideas?
Should we go feed the bird?
Cody, hold it steady. Good job! Good job! I'm filming. They like you. Oh, heavens, you're covered.
Hold your arm out like that. Just don't take my wet with you, okay?
And smell the fake hair.
That's pretty much all I can. Ooh, that's a bigger one.
Mom, watch this. Here. Move out of the way. I got this.
All right.
I got this.
All right. Oh, okay.
Mommy?
You sure about that? Are you sure, Boston?
Mommy, I got an idea.
What?
Maybe I can, you can film me. I can run across there, leap, and then come right here. Can you?
I will record you, yes. Okay, everybody, you got to get out of Cody's way. He's trying something amazing.
Don't get around. Megan.
Okay. Okay, Code, go. Follow him.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Whoop.
Ooh, ooh. Ooh, yummy. Mmm, crickets. Birds. Oh, he's so cute.
Do you think he's conscious about his nose?
Excuse me, I'm looking for the Hoellein boys. Has anyone seen the Hoellein boys? Hi. Are you in a tree? Hi, Lincoln. Flamingos.
Did you say Migos?
I can't tell if he's angry about it, but yes. Let me see, Boston. Again, he tripped and fell. He looked up and he goes, again? Olivia, what do you think of the flamingos?
They're really pretty.
I love flamingos. Ooh, you're a beautiful flamingo. Channel your inner flamingo. Yes. They're fighting, they're fighting, they're fighting for something else.
Somebody's farting.
I'm not sure what's going on over there.
She's a bird now, high in the sky.
Are you glad we came?
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
Aww.
What? Ew.
What?
Ew.
He got pooped on.
Ew. That was a drive home.
Oh, thanks for letting me take a nap.
And I stayed awake and I tried getting a little bit edited for you.
Oh, you got a big chunk edited. That was nice, thank you.
Joel is outside getting his trip prepared for. They're going on a little overnighter tomorrow. I don't know why I say little. They're going on an overnighter tomorrow. And so I'm gonna eat dinner with him later. And the kids are eating dinner now. Apparently Lincoln is done. You guys, please eat your dinner. The kids are being very silly. We're having the leftovers from the other day, which the kids loved. Gotta wipe up where Lincoln was touching. Lincoln! Lincoln! You be nice. You be nice. Okay. I don't think Lincoln. You look at Cody right now.
Sorry.
No, yeah, you know what to do. Say, I'm sorry, Cody. No, I can't hear you.
I'm sorry.
Okay, now show him soft. How do you be soft with Cody? Say, I won't hurt you.
Ears.
Yes, those
Be
are his
careful
ears.
so you don't touch my owl.
Yeah, he's got a million owies because everyone's so rough. You be soft. Okay.
Okay. Red rover, set over.
I'm not sure he knows how to play this game. Well, I feel pretty exhausted from the day, so I think we're gonna call it a night. I honestly can't believe that we get to do this for our living, and I just want to tell you guys thanks for watching. I love that you guys watch. I love to communicate in the comment section with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.